In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Discord Nitro gift card. If you've ever wanted to surprise a friend with custom emojis, higher upload limits, server boosts, and all the other Discord Nitro perks, the fastest and most secure way is to purchase a gift right inside the Discord app. I'll walk you through the process end to end so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Discord app on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're signed in. This works the same across platforms, and it's easiest if your app is up to date, so the buttons look like what you see here. Next, head into any direct message or a server chat. You don't need to be messaging the recipient for this to work, you just need access to the message box area. Look near the message field for a small gift icon that looks like a wrapped present. Click that gift icon. This is Discord's built-in shortcut for sending a Nitro gift. You'll be asked to choose a Nitro plan. Pick either 1 month or 1 year, depending on the kind of gift you want to send. A month is great for a quick surprise. A year is perfect if you know they'll use it long-term. When you choose a plan, you're paying up front for that exact duration, and the recipient won't be billed for it. Click Next to continue. You'll now be prompted to enter your payment method. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card or another supported payment option. Take a moment to confirm your billing details and the plan you selected. As a quick security reminder, never share your full card number or one-time codes in chat. You only need to provide them in the secure payment form. When everything looks good, click Buy Gift. Discord will process the payment and instantly generate a unique gift link. This link is what activates Nitro for the recipient. Finally, send the gift link to the person you're gifting. You can paste it right into a DM or share it privately wherever you normally chat. Treat the link like a code. Anyone with it can redeem the Nitro, so avoid posting it publicly. When your friend clicks the link, they'll log into their Discord account and redeem it to activate Nitro. If they already have Nitro, the gifted time is typically added to their account or queued for later, depending on their current plan. That's it. Open Discord, tap the gift icon, choose the plan, pay, and send the link. Enjoy gifting, and have fun leveling up someone's Discord experience.